Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to enter download mode. Thanks to download mode, you can enter your smartphone in the recovery to download custom firmware on your smartphone. In order to do it, firstly go to Power menu and select Restart. Now press and hold power button and volume up. Release the buttons and select recovery mode. Right here you can install software, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.